that the World Health Organization is somehow in bed with pharmaceuticals.
You get in trouble selling pharmaceuticals in a campaign office.
Chemicals sold by pharmaceutical companies.
Pharmaceutical company controlled by certain
doing pharmaceutical consulting.
I'm a doctor. I'm perfectly entitled to keep pharmaceuticals at home.
I find that very hard to believe.
The man was on the verge of sealing a major pharmaceutical deal.
You're the pharmaceutical company and the pharmacy.
RDL Pharmaceuticals right from under me. A product of Pharmaceuticals.
On your blog, you also wrote that the World Health Organization is somehow in bed with pharmaceutical companies.
Because they are. Are you authorized to do that?
Very funny.
Well, you get in trouble selling pharmaceuticals in a campaign office. My uncle's in jail because of that.
These with poisonous chemicals sold by pharmaceutical companies who want to make money.
It was the work of God himself, but it was a pharmaceutical company controlled by certain party members that made them all obscenely.
Nights. And you said you're doing pharmaceutical consulting. It's a pretty large workload.
I'm a doctor. I'm perfectly entitled to keep pharmaceuticals at home.
Hey, look, Doc, tell it to somebody else.
I bought his exiles.
I find that very hard to believe.
The man was on the verge of sealing a major pharmaceutical deal. Life.
Yes. They will learn.
So you're the pharmaceutical company and the pharmacy. We're the botanists.
Not exactly.
Mind open her mouth. Stole RDL Pharmaceuticals right from under me. Wildman the White Knight.
Lancer, for that better groomed look. A product of Pharmaceuticals.
Anything, Will, if you're, you should abandon the show and open a pharmaceutical house.
Look,
I quit.
Relax.
I quit.
You're being silly.
I have a meeting in 20 minutes with John Rader, and some drug rep from Boston Pharmaceuticals is waiting in your office. Andy something.
Liquid diamorphine, commonly known as heroin, pharmaceutical grade, pure. I call it my yellow Jesus.
Who cares about school, man? We just lost $40 worth of pharmaceuticals. I know what happened to him, too.
Explain his obsession with you and your family. His medical records includes a wide range of pharmaceuticals. Lumicity.
Dealing in pharmaceutical drugs is illegal.
So she's had a couple of drops out of it. That's it. This is like high-grade pharmaceutical.
It is
you can't watered.
The largest fiscal spending since the Iraqi war. Pharmaceutical companies have agreed to start issuing free AIDS vaccines.
They told us we were part of a pharmaceutical study, but of course there was a lie.
Reference.
You're a postdoctoral scientist at Tristana Pharmaceuticals.
Yep. 8 years from that now. I've been doing some consulting for a pharmaceutical company.
Well, like some offshore lab making fake Viagra.
Just ran all the way back from the village. I had a meeting with Tony Biscano at Lysum Pharmaceutical. He,
Be in your ear.
Miramount Nagasaki's brilliant pharmaceutical department has cracked. And people can...
I don't know why you guys are laughing. It's an actual pharmaceutical product. Called Zero.
Branch of an advertising company in Berlin. Their big account is pharmaceuticals. But he collected information from German...
President of the National Broadcasting Company.
My name is Martin Rittenholm. I run Pharmaceuticals Incorporated.
I take that responsibility very...
That smell, that's...
They are pharmaceutical factories. It's the smell of nitrogen and rubber.
I know.